We put up a good fight though. It was like 50,000 to like 37,000. I don't know. It's on Kiki's story. You know, she got a kick out of it because she can't beat me, so she had to live through KT. You was in here. You was in here before we ever started battling. You had to go handle business. It's okay. I guess Cracky did. Who is Cracky, B? Never mind, B. I don't want to know. I don't want to tussle nobody all day tomorrow. I don't want to tussle all day on Friday. I'm going to just sit that out. It's okay. It was no pressure to give. The battle was fun, for real. And y'all know me. I'm going to still pop my shit. Next time me and KT on at the same time, we battling again. Because I'm going to get my lick back. I'm going to keep battling her till I win. But now I see who the ops is. Kelly. Wicked. Everything weird. Jay, chill. You and K Money, chill. What is y'all talking about? I am going to win against KT. We almost won. You scared? No, I ain't scared. I'll top all my shit and battle her to begin with. Oh, you talking about am I scared to run the streets? No, I ain't scared. Fuck it, we ball. What's up? The chat is on ass tonight. What is going on? What is going on? Y'all relax. Go get y'all garden. Smells like a sweet minty pine. This side really ain't giving nothing. Hold on, let me smell it. It's maybe giving a little bit of like a little bit of like a berry scent, but overall it don't smell like nothing. This side smell litty. Nerd with glasses. We not accepting no more questions tonight. We all questioned out. Sammy, I asked if I could first. We are all questioned out for the night. We at the bottom of the knife, baby. We are done. Nah, let her. And then here go Nessa. Mine's well. Y'all take all y'all complaints up with Nessa tomorrow, okay? Because I'm logging out. I'm not going to be here tomorrow. I'm not even getting on. Nah, I don't care about that lady. To be honest, y'all know we don't fuck with that bird lady. That is not news. She blocked me for no reason. All because Nessa said, you don't support nobody, but you want other people to support you. And then she got on her story and gonna say, I'ma pass the phone to myself and all the clean talkers suck. So what Nessa said was valid as fuck. But don't let that go over y'all head. Oh, okay. Since we're gonna take it there, let's take it there. Don't let it go over your head now, people. Oh, Britt, I didn't know you was getting jumped on. That's why I said, who is Britt? Because I'm like, where did Britt come from? Wasn't nobody even talking about her. Here go Kiki. Oh, Lord. Right, Kiki. And why you act like that wasn't tea? Because it was. See, Kiki be picking and choosing with the tea, and I don't like that. Now, watch her go live tomorrow and talk about me on live, because I had to say my two cents, my opinion. But all these other 304s get a pass. No, I talked about it today. Oh, okay, I missed it. Okay, my bad. I'm wrong. You got it. Yeah, that's crazy for you to get on here and say all the other clean talkers is trash, and clean talkers literally come in there and spend money with you on a consistent basis is insanity. I would never say that. I would never belittle nobody else in the community and say that you're trash. That's so well, I ain't gonna say I never say that, because if I'm mad at you, I might call you trash. But for you to just get on here and say that and say, I'm gonna pass the phone to myself because all the rest of you hoes is trash, but they literally get on here and support you, is crazy.